today's video, I have a question of, is it missing or is it wrapped? We're going to find out my little Abus 7230 here. If I can get it in camera, there you go. Currently has a problem of a dead pin in pin number 1. And I don't know if they forgot to put a spring in it, or if at some point I wrapped the spring around the core. My bet's honestly on number 2, because I don't think Abus is that bad, but we're going to find out together. Figured to make an interesting little video. Assuming I can get this thing. Should be interesting anyway. There's that pin. Let's open. Get my tensioner back, please. Thank you. No. Because I cheated, I already did this off camera once. You can't see down in there. There's a little detent plunger down in the bottom down here. I got to get in with another pick, and I'm sorry to my Moki picks for putting them through this, but it worked the last time. If I can do it on camera. There it is. There it is. Now, I don't want to drop my balls out of this lock. We're going to gently set him over here. Now, should be a relatively straightforward gutting. That's what I said before about other locks. So, nope, we're not going to do that. I am not bending that. There we go. Get our circlip off. And I'm gonna use one of my, yeah, that looks about right. New followers. Looks like there's another detent up in here. Should be interesting to reassemble. Maybe. Yeah, this is gonna get real fun real quick. I probably should have grabbed the key to this. I have it somewhere. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Actually, yeah, that'll work. So if I take it to the extreme. No. I gotta get it. Ah, yes, there we go. Alright, cool. So, now, time for the unveiling. If I can do this without botching everything. Oh, okay. Stuck in that rib. Maybe. Finer point pick. This is going to go everywhere, isn't it? Oh, that's interesting. It's already looking like it's not a... I don't know, I feel something. I don't feel great. I need to figure out how to get that up. Oh, just bear with me a second, y'all, please. Ah, there we go. This is where a shim would have came in handy, but I do not have any, so... Ah, and there's my first clue of what happened. That's interesting. Looks hollow. Let's go ahead and dump these out while we're here. One. And... bollocks. Alright, those two... One, two, three, four. No, okay, that's number 6. It's losing my mind, that's all. Oh. Huh. Okay. So that, both of them came out of 4. No, 3, sorry. That's pin number 4. And, oops, pin number 5. So, looks like a modified driver. I have more questions than answers, but okay, we'll continue. I haven't yeeted a pin anywhere, so. Huh. Well, I was right. I felt like I had. Oof. Yeah, that spring got it good. Should have grabbed my tweezers as well, but I did not. So I think to answer my question. Oh, no. Wow. Okay, so this lock's in bad shape. I gotta get some new springs from somewhere. There's 1, 2. There's 1, 2, and 3. Ah, there it is. Captured it. So, in a surprising turn of events, I have 3 springs wrapped around the core of this poor little Abus. And 1, 2, 3. Does it not have a key pin? That's interesting. Oh no, it's a 5-pin lock dummy. Okay, well, there you go. 3 of the 5 springs were wrapped around its core, so find some American springs or something laying around to fix it with. Anyway, I figured it'd be an interesting little video. I know I don't have the parts to fix this, so thank you for watching.